This is my eyebrow before I apply anything to it. And this is the finished look, only using eyeliner and foundation. Here you're gonna see how uneven my eyebrows are. They need to be arched. They have no makeup on them, no eyeliner, nothing. So what needs to be done to it seems like a lot, but the way I do it is not much at all. This is the concealer brush I use. $1 at Target, e.l.f. Professional Concealer Brush. Although I don't use concealer, this is a nice brush to outline my eyebrows. Now here I'm just using a brown eyeliner. I have no preference on brand or anything like that. It depends on what goes best with my skin. This brown actually is closest to my skin color, and you'll see why that's important later on in this video. I'm also using a black eyeliner, and that's because I want to use that to fill in my eyebrows. You'll see why that's important for this eyebrow look that I'm going for as well.
Wait a minute, OMG, we be like LOL, these cats don't know that we rep JC. They don't really know we do it, oh yeah, we do it big. Why not a rapper got the father, we call him Abba cause we his kids, coming from that 314, repping that 116.
Like I told you, I don't use concealer, I only use makeup. This is Fashion Fair. The color for my skin is pure brown. I use it to outline my eyebrow to give it that definition that I like. And it's the color of my skin. I don't like anything lighter than my skin like concealer does. I like it to look just like my skin. It gives a more natural look. So that's why I don't use concealer and I use foundation only. You don't need one of these brushes. You can use a toothbrush. But I just use this brush to smooth my eyebrows out before I get started. Remember, it's all about keeping it simple. I basically start out brushing my eyebrows upward and over. Nothing fancy, nothing major, just upward and over. And then I start to apply my brown outliner, only making a border for my eyebrows. I'll show you here what I mean by a border. This draw line, smooth, not rough, light strokes upward until your arch. And then once you get into your arch, you're going to go ahead and go down. Down, outlining your eyebrow, but making a border on how thick you want it. Some may start a little lower, some may start a little higher than I did. I wanted to show you all a thick look. So I have the light on and off to show you how it looks with light and without light. Basically with the brown eyeliner, I make my border. I don't like using a black eyeliner to make my border because it looks too sharp and not as natural as I would like for it to look. This brown blends in with my skin the way I like for it to, and you'll see the end results, and I'm sure you'll be satisfied.
Riding through the city streets, it's still Jesus all the way, all the way, all the way. It's still Jesus all the way, say all the way, say all the way, say. And we hop up out the whip, and we step up on the scene, and we post up on the set. Me and my whole team, it's still Jesus all the way, all the way, all the way. It's still Jesus all the way, say all the way, say all the way.
Alright, it's time for that black eyeliner, whichever one you prefer. Again, it doesn't matter. I basically fill in the border that I made with my my eyeliner. Basically just fill it in, like you color in between the lines when you color in a picture. That's basically what I do. I kind of go upward in the front, because I like, that look. I don't like it square. I kind of like it looks when you naturally have your eyebrows done. Anyways, I colored in with the black. You'll see that the brown will soon fade out. You won't be able to see the brown, which is what I like the most because it looks more natural. It looks like the hair is coming out of my face rather than it all starts at the bottom of my eyebrow and goes up to the top. I don't like that look on me personally. You also take the black eyeliner and you trace over the brown towards the end of your eyebrow, going all the way to the end. So I like it really thin at the end. Some people like it a little thicker. Do it as you please.
We call your majesty. Yeah. No power.
I'm basically just smoothing out the eyeliner that I put on. I know you was worried about how clunky it looked, but don't worry, the brush will soon smooth it out. It's not a, you don't have to be rough, just smooth. Again, I brush upward and over. And as you see, the brown is kind of fading out just a little bit, but you'll see it fade out more as we go on. I kind of messed up, so I'm reapplying the brown eyeliner where I kind of wiped it off with my finger, trying to smooth it out. But basically, that's it. Just take that brush and smooth that eyeliner in.
To the people, tasty as a T-bone with A1. A son, never could you play me for a fake because I ain't one. God as real as they come, constantly repping Jesus. Even after church done, I eat, sleep, and breathe this. Awestruck as I preach this, even secular speeches. This ain't for the church folk, take it where the streets is. Slingshot the movement, case you're wondering where the beast is. Wondering where the beasts are. All I need's a beat, y'all. I'm just willing kindling. See, my father brings the heat, y'all. My flow is like the wind, though.
Hi, it's time for magic. I use foundation again, not concealer. I do not like the light look under my eyes, under my eyebrows. I like it for it to all blend in. With the light on, it's gonna look like it appears to be lighter than my skin, but it's not. It's a perfect blend of my skin, and it matches, to the T, and it doesn't give a look that I see a lot of people wearing with the, concealer. But, it looks good on them, but I don't personally like it on me. I like a more natural look. And this is basically what I call the magic. I outline my eyebrows. That way you can't see the hair that I didn't arch beforehand. And you also see me covering up the brown line. Which, is good because you can't really see the border. So I outline the top and the bottom, and just follow me and see how I do it.
My father interrupt, he got my future so bright, need to tint my windows up. I'm like a train conductor screaming all aboard. Y'all can't make it on your own, you should be leaning on the Lord. See, I've seen the final score, that's the reason why I'm happy. You ain't strutting streets of gold and you ain't stunting like my daddy. Yeah. Lights out, people. Slingshot is the movement. We here now. No power. No power. Yeah. Now let it
Everybody riot. Tell them if they won't come try it. I mean, make war, everybody fight it.
I'm basically just smoothing it on in with my finger. Want to get the makeup evenly distributed on my face and under my eyebrow and on my forehead. In the light, you can see all the flaws, the areas I need to go ahead and smooth out some more. Like any foundation you put on, you have to evenly distribute it or it'll stand out. So I just need a little more work to do. I also use this foundation to cover up my dark circles. People might say that I don't have much, but I think I do. So check out that video. Here's with the light on and me needing to smooth that foundation out, and here's
Thanks
with
for
the
watching.
light off.